Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's do a makeup tutorial together. First, I'm using a primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation from L'Oreal Beauty in the shade W8 for my face. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight and conceal. Next, I'm using a cream bronzer. Sorry. Next, I'm using a cream bronzer to contour my cheek. I blend that in there. I blend that in then. I'm using a cream blush to add a little color to my cheek as well. Oh, dear Lord Jesus. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my face. Next, I'm using pressed powder to set my contour. The other powder I use it for only the parts that I use concealer. So I like all the highlighted parts, sorry. Next, I'm using a loose powder to do a little baking. I'm putting this powder under my eyes so that when I'm doing my eyes, it will all the fallout from eyeshadows will not touch my skin. It will be on top of the powder. That is the reason why I'm putting this powder under my eyes for eyeshadow fallout when I'm doing my eyes. Next is eyes. I'm using a brown shade for my crease first. Brown shade for the crease. Next, I'm using a little bit lighter brown, another brown shade, but a lighter brown to blend the edges. Then I'm using a darker brown for my outer crease. This eyeshadow palette is from Zickel Cosmetics and it's very nice. It's pigmented. My favorite eyeshadow palette. I love it so much. So good. So good. Next, I'm using a brown. Sorry. Next, I'm using an orange shade for my eyelid. Orange shade for my eyelid. Next, I'm lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. No, it's not a liquid eyeliner, sorry. It's a gel eyeliner. Mascara to clean the eyeshadow that is on my lashes. Then I'm wearing false lashes now. False lashes. Next, I'm adding that orange shade on my lower lash line. The orange and brown that I use on my eyes. Doing the same thing on my lower lash line. Using orange and brown shade for my lower lash line. Next, I'm cleaning up my face, dusting off all the powder, using a powder puff to blend everything together. Next, I'm setting my face. Next is highlighter. Highlighter time. Next, I'm lining my lips. It's a brown lip liner. Next, I'm using this lip stain from Zickel Cosmetics. Next is lip gloss. I'm adding a gloss to my lips. That is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.